Well, good evening, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another informative video. And most of you already know that I'm going to probably go on another rant because I'm pissed. This is the 18th of November 2021. And you know what? Mr. Biden's got all my money fucked up. Okay? And the reason is because of this stupid bill that they passed, this infrastructure bill. Now, I'm not against all of the infrastructure things that they're trying to solve. I'm not against building new roads. I'm not against fixing the bridges. I'm not against putting up a wall if we got to put up a wall, fixing buildings and all of that. But this crap that they added to the bill talking about crypto, it just really pisses me off. And as you can see, if you were to go over to CoinMarketCap, let's go over to CoinMarketCap.com. Look at this sea of red in the top 10. Bitcoin down 7%, Ethereum down 7%, Binance Coin 9%, okay, Cardano 7%, Solana 12%. Okay, I tell people all the time, and oh no, let's get down to the big dogs, right? Dogecoin down 8%, Sheep down 13%, and the list goes on and on and on. It's like a whooping that we're taking. And I tell people all the time that these things happen because of events. Now here we are with the debt ceiling crisis that was supposed to propel Bitcoin into the stratosphere. Okay, that was my projection. But nope, they sign a bill into law and scare everybody into believing that the crypto is not going to be worth anything because you can't move it here and there without telling someone. Meanwhile, there are some rumors that Ted Cruz and a bunch of other folks are getting ready to propose an addendum to this bill that will straighten this out. You know, I can't believe I'm going to say this. If Mr. Cruz successfully, puts forward a proposal that changes the verbiage in the infrastructure bill pertaining to crypto and fixes this scare that's been propagated by this crazy bill, I hate to say it, y'all, Ted Cruz is going to be a hero. Okay, he's going to be a hero. You heard it here on Crypto Big Bucks. That's right. I'm saying Ted Cruz could be a hero if this happens. But we'll have to just wait to see if that develops. I'm just worried about the beating that we're taking and how long is this beating going to go on. Okay? But there is light at the end of the tunnel. And what that light is with the Metaverse. Folks, if you haven't heard of the Metaverse, if you've been watching Mr. Zuckerberg and Facebook, he just announced all of this infrastructure that's being added to Facebook that's going to create a virtual platform that is going to be 3D and serious for Facebook users called the Metaverse. And everything associated with the Metaverse is doing pretty well. Now, on a day like today, where you have just bloodletting everywhere, I would say it's 50-50. I'm over here on CoinGecko now, and you are looking at all of the Metaverse blockchains sorted by market cap. And as you can see, look at Decentraland. Okay, Decentraland is up 22% on a day where you just saw all the blood in the top 20. By market cap. Decentraland over here, number 39, is up 22% today, 56% on the week. Look at Sandbox, up 12%, 75% on the week. Look at Engine Coin, up 6%, 6% on the week. Okay, so there is some light at the end of the tunnel, and I don't want to presuppose that this just is the answer. But it does appear that even on the worst day, look down here, we got Wilder World 7.3% today, 8.7% on RMRK. It does appear that there may be shelter in the Metaverse. Can you believe this? So you proposed this raggedy infrastructure bill, and the only safe place to be in the crypto space is in the metaverse. Can you believe it? So this is not financial advice. It's just an observation. We need to watch this for the rest of the week and see if, in fact, can we get 75% of the metaverse coins out there to be in the black, increasing in value, increasing by market cap. Can we see that? Can we get 80% instead of this 50-50 thing? So we're going to keep watching. I hope that you found this information valuable. Please share it. Please like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And folks, I guess if you haven't read about the metaverse, it might be time to learn a little bit about it. And I'll catch you on the next one.